I can't sleep. Uh, got heartburn. Shit. Oh, man. Oh, fuck. I had a harder gas than that. And I didn't do a live while I'm sleeping for y'all.